This is Sipping on Sunshine.
I thought it would be fun to share with you a few techniques on this little dragonfly. You're going to use a wash away. I've already done a placement line. The top thread and your bobbin thread is going to be the same color. The second thing we're going to do is placing my tool first. Then I'm going to place this fun mylar, and this is just going to give you a nice shine on top.
Love the look
And
of that.
then I'm sandwiching it with another piece of netting or tulle. Cut your 3 layers.
So now the fill stitch.
Well, I'm going to cut around it as close as I can. I'm dipping this baby in. So that's dissolved now. The first step is going to just stitch out a placement line. So place that down. Then wash away topping.
Okay. It's stitching out. It's just as cute as can be.
So you can see again the dimension, and I did it in a bright blue just so it kind of popped off there a little bit more.